Today we will see about online workshop on machine deep learning or image and video processing by NIT Rourkela. National Institute of Technology NIT Rourkela, which is in Odisha, is organizing an online workshop on machine learning and deep learning for image and video processing, and it is from Feb 24 to 28 2021. So let's see what are the course objectives of this online workshop. The focus of this course will be on introducing the broad domain of the deep learning from a signal processing point of view, especially security related considerations. Special emphasis will be given to open source tools like TensorFlow, Google Colab, Keras and Jupyter, etc. To demonstrate tools like TensorFlow, Keras, Jupyter and Google Colab so that the participants can get started in this domain, and to provide useful tips for research paper writing. There is some registration fee for this online workshop. For industry participants, there is 500 rupees registration fees, and for faculty and students, there is 300 rupees registration fees. For register for this workshop, I will give you the link in the description. Participants in the workshop will be limited to 120 participants. The mix of industry, faculty, student participant will be given a chance to participate in the workshop. Shortlisted participants will be informed via mail, and due to COVID-19 restrictions, this course will be fully online. The maximum of 2 to 3 sessions will be held each day. Shortlisted candidates will be given banking details so that they can pay the registration fee via an online bank transfer, Google Pay or Phone Pay. This is the PDF for this NIT Rourkela online workshop, and I will share this link on the description. There is Google form for the registration of the online workshop. I will share also this link on the description. That's all for the video. Thank you.